Please make sure the components and tools you received match the user manual. Basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its home. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and lock. Pick boards 2 and attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 2 to board 1. Make sure the Minifix housing is facing the bushes. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach another board 2 to board 1. Make sure the Minifix housing is facing the bushes. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach board 3 to board 1. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the unit bushes onto the floor. Pick board 4 and place it flat on 2 and 3 boards. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Your product is ready to use.